everybody! Today we'll be showing you how we made our DIY outdoor chairs for our balcony. If you haven't checked out how I made the cushions for these as well, I'll put the link down below. But I started out by going to Home Depot and getting 5 2x2 boards and 2 1x3 boards. And to start out, you're going to take your 2x2s and make 4 cuts at 24.5 inches, 2 cuts at 30 1/4 inches, and 7 cuts at 27 1/4 inches. Next, you're going to take 2 24.5s for your legs, 1 30 1/4 for the top, that will be your arm, and 1 27 1/4 to connect the legs. And you will repeat this 2 times, and this will be your sides of the chair. And I placed my 27 1/4 10 inches up. Next, you're going to take 3 27 1/4 and connect your sides. And you're going to do this 10 inches up in the front, 10 inches up in the back, and then connect your arms in the back at the top. Next, you're going to take your 1x3s and make 6 cuts at 27 1/4 to create the side panels of the chair. And you're going to put 2 of these on both of your sides in the back of your chair. And I spaced my side pieces out with 2 scrap pieces of the 1x3s and 1 scrap piece of the 2x2. And I spaced my back pieces out with 1 scrap piece of the 1x3 and 1 scrap piece of the 2x2. Lastly, we put the last 2 27 1/4 across the bottom for extra support, and we also ended up putting a piece of plywood on the bottom for extra support and so the cushions don't fall through. And here's your finished product. Next, we gotta fill the screw holes and stain it. And here's the finished product with my DIY cushions that I also made. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below. I've recently updated my back cushion since that video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this DIY is as easy for you as it was for us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!